Introducing the Cosyspeed Phone Slinger, the world's first camera bag dedicated specifically to smartphone photography. Cosyspeed is the only camera bag company focused on keeping your gear protected, but ready. With our one-handed, easy-access design, professional photographers all over the world trust Cosyspeed for our quality, style, and dependability. And now we're back again with the best photography solution for your mobile phone. For those who never want to miss a shot, the Phone Slinger Power features a long-lasting QI power bank so that your phone is always wirelessly charging and ready. If you work outside and need a rugged design that will withstand the elements, the Phone Slinger Outdoor features the same reinforced design as our customers expect from our outdoor Cam Slinger bag. You can attach it to your Cam Slinger or to any backpack, camera bag, or strap. Both the Phone Slinger Power and Outdoor bags feature a magnetic fidlock closure, allowing you to easily access your phone on the go with one hand. We're also introducing the Phone Slinger Prime, which holds your phone and up to 4 lenses such as the popular Moment lenses. Just zip open the flip-down pouch and attach your desired lens. Or you can get the Prime pouch to hold your lenses while the Phone Slinger Power charges your phone. All Phone Slinger bags feature high-quality fabric, insulated protective plastic, and the modular ability to attach our flow belt and belt pad. Use the flow belt with whichever combination of bags and accessories fit your needs. No matter what type of smartphone photographer you are, there is a Phone Slinger for you. Our high-quality, stylish bags are German-engineered and certified by SGS for fair working conditions and environmentally friendly manufacturing. The Cosyspeed Phone Slinger makes smartphone photography smarter.
This is Pivo. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. Pivo can follow you as you move,
We always start with sanding.
with both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. Pivo partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with Pivo you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. Pivo has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo, whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with Mini You. Even a view coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. For videos of everyday bummers. Or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is Flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people. And with the Pivo tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. Pivo can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. Pivo is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, sock puppets, wannabe sock puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get Pivo. Be creative. Insanely creative.
This is the Prynt Pocket. Turn your phone essentially into a Polaroid camera, snapping a photo and printing out a physical version of that image instantaneously. The app itself allows you to look at an image and it plays a video clip. It can trigger a video clip from the moments surrounding that actual image.
Hi Kickstarter! 3 years ago, you backed our first product, the Prynt case. This year, we released our second generation, the Prynt Pocket for iPhone, which is the smallest instant camera ever. But with thousands of Android users reaching out to us, we decided it was time to go back to work and design their product. That's why we're here, back on Kickstarter. We want to work with our community to make the Prynt Pocket for Android the best possible.
Our goal was to create the smallest instant camera on the market. To achieve this, we removed the need for an ink cartridge and switched to zero ink sticker paper. The colors on the paper reveal by using thermal heating technology. By incorporating an expandable adapter, Prynt Pocket for Android fits any smartphone with a USB-C port.
Our product is the easiest to use. It's very simple. You just have to plug your phone in, select a photo from your gallery or Instagram, Snapchat, and print.
Our product is portable, so users can share photos anytime, anywhere. It's small enough to fit in your bag, your jacket, and can even attach to a neck or wrist strap so you can carry it with you at all times. It's not all about the hardware though. When we started designing the Prynt app, it was important for us to provide as many customization options as possible. From filters, frames, captions, and emojis, users have the creative freedom to tailor their moments to their lifestyle. To fully experience the moment captured, we've integrated the ability to embed videos into your photos. The videos replay inside the paper when you hover over your photo with the app.
We've seen users from all over the world using Prynt to inspire their projects. From room decorations to DIY, your creativity is really the limit with Prynt.
You asked us to create a product for Android, and we want to bring it into your hands. So help us create the Prynt Pocket for Android. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Since I became a father 3 years ago, I've been looking for a way to take pictures of my daughter easily and without the help of others. After 2 years of search, I found nothing in the market that fulfills my need. That's why I decided to build one on my own. Shuttr is a remote shutter release for your smartphone. Its patent technology supports iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Samsung Galaxy S3, Note 2, etc. Pairing Shuttr with your smartphone can be done with a couple of kicks. Taking self-portrait or good photo can never be easier. Shuttr has a small form factor that you can carry as a keychain, making sure that you can capture every precious moment arise in your daily life. Over the past 6 months, our team has been working side by side to create the best photo-taking experience. We not only came up with a remote shutter release, but also a range of attachment lenses that work perfectly with Shuttr, including a 140-degree super wide angle, a 240-degree super fisheye, and a 20x optical zoom lenses.